Good morning, good evening, and good night, whenever you are watching this. Today I realized that my JEE notes are a bit messy. Not a bit messy, very messy. And it's quite difficult to revise from them. What will I do? I will do one thing, that I will pick one chapter at one time and make digital notes out of them. And I thought, why not make a video out of it? Just to stay consistent and make sure that I actually follow through this. It will be a great way to revise my concepts and also make the notes more comprehensible and more easy to read for later in the future use. Well, today I am starting with units and measurements. I will be giving you contexts about is it worth it or not. The most basic question is that is it worth it to make digital notes? Well, that we will know after making the digital notes itself. So here I am. I have already started a little bit, and I thought, why not record the video? So yeah, and now I am recording this video. So I have already started my chapter number 1 of class 11, physics, units and measurements. The fundamental quantities independent of each other and other quantities. I have written this in very short format so that only I understand this. You should write this in such a format that you understand this, because notes are for your understanding. Your personal notes are for your understanding, not for the others. And at last and finally, we should add the correct reading. Let us talk about reality check right now, guys. Now I have converted the messy notes of my physics chapter, the units and measurements, into this. It looks really nice. Don't you agree with me? Look how good it looks. I will enclose this in a box too. Now let us talk about if this thing that I did was worth it or not. Truthfully, guys, I think this entire thing took way too much of my time. I have recording this for who knows how many hours, and still I got only one chapter finished. And you know, this chapter is not even that long. If I had picked up a chapter such as SHM or ray optics or something like that, the bigger chapters, I don't know if it could have taken me 5 or more hours to write this in my laptop with my current skills, obviously, because they are pretty much everything that I had done could have been done in a much more better way. But for me right now, with my current skills, I think this was not that worth it. Yes, this was not that worth it. Even though I had put my work in this, I had worked hard on this, but I think this thing is only worth it if you have a notepad, tablet, or something like that. Don't perform this on your mobile phone or your laptop or your PC. If you have mobile phone, laptop, or PC, go with your physical notes and not the digital notes, okay? But still, if you have time and you want to do it, you know, it is a pretty fun thing to do. Look, just how good it looks. and it is pretty easy to revise now. If you want to take a screenshot, then you can see this trinity of dimensions, and this, take a screenshot, and this, well, I'm being silly by asking you to take a screenshot. Obviously it is not that much good that you will take a screenshot. Plenty of better materials are available online, but this is something I have wrote myself. So yeah, if you want to take it, and if you want to take it or not, it is entirely up to you. And if you ask me that will I continue to write this, well, for some chapters I will, because I have time right now. But for you guys uh, who are just arrived in 11th or are in 12th and covering their backlog of 11th class, I would suggest you not to try this if you are doing this in your mobile phone or PC. If you have a notepad, then go for it. And that is all, guys.